Welcome back, Future Medicos. In this video, we are going to look at Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, which is affiliated to the deemed university KLE Academy of Higher Education and Research. This Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College or JNMC campus is located at Belagavi in Karnataka. This university, KLE, is the same university which we have discussed yesterday for a new proposed medical college at Hubli. Now in this video, we will look at the number of seats available at Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College. We will look at the counseling authority. We will look at the 2020 cutoff marks. We will look at the college fees and the hostel fees. So to start with, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belagavi, Karnataka has 200 MBBS seats. And these 200 MBBS seats are divided into three major categories. First of all, there are 12 seats are reserved only for Karnataka candidates. And then there are 158 seats which are offered as general management category seats, for which any candidate across India can apply as long as they have qualified NEET. And then the third category is NRI category. For once again, the 30 NRI seats, anyone across India can apply as long as they qualify as an NRI and they have cleared the NEET exam. Now, who will conduct counseling for all these category of seats, and where should you apply to get a seat in this particular college? So for the general management seats, that is 158 seats and 30 NRI seats, the total 188 seats, if you are interested to get a seat under these categories, you need to register with Medical Counseling Committee or MCC and participate in the All India Counseling. Where do you register? You need to register at the website mcc.nic.in. And then for the 12 seats that come under the Karnataka state reservation, you need to register with Karnataka Examinations Authority or KEA. Once again, I want to remind you that these 12 seats are available only for Karnataka candidates. Other state candidates cannot apply to these 12 seats. Now, what is the cutoff for general management category seats in 2020? In round one, if you look at the All India rank was around 1,22,000 and NEET marks, equivalent marks was 461. In round two, the cutoff has slightly dropped to approximately about 1,46,000 and NEET marks 436. And finally, in the mop-up round, the cutoff has gone up to 1,07,000 All India rank and NEET marks 476. So roughly in this college, if your rank is around 1,50,000 or higher, right? So anything within the 1,50,000 rank, maybe you may have a chance. And in terms of NEET marks, probably if you are around 450 marks, probably you may have a good chance to get into this college. Now, what is the fee structure? First, let's look at the fee structure for the general category students. For the general category students, the fee structure is going to be 18.3 lakhs for the first year at the time of admission. And then from second year onwards, it is going to be 18.25 lakhs per year for second year, third year, and fourth year. And then the final year, that is the fifth year, you will be paying 9.15 lakhs. So this is the fee structure for studying MBBS in Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College under general management category. Now let us look at the fee structure for NRI students, which is stated in US dollars. At the time of admission, that is first year, you need to pay 45,500 US dollars. From second year onwards, you will be paying 44,000 US dollars per year for the second year, third year, and fourth year. And then finally, in the fifth year, you will be paying 22,000 US dollars. Now the hostel, what is the hostel fees? First, let's look at the hostel for Indian candidates. For Indian candidates, for both boys and girls, the room type is double sharing, non-attached. So two people will be sharing the room and the bathrooms will be common. So what is the fees you need to pay? If you are a girl, if you are a lady, then you need to pay admission fees 200 rupees, refundable caution deposit 13,000, yearly rent 74,000 rupees. So totally you need to pay 87,200 at the time of admission. And if you are a boy or if you are going to the gents hostel, then you need to pay 200 rupees admission fees, refundable caution deposit is 16,000 rupees, yearly rent is 80,000, and first year you need to pay a total of 96,200 rupees. So this yearly rent of 74,000 or 80,000 includes mess charges, right? So mess charges include breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, and dinner. So if you are an Indian candidate and if you are joining the college under general management category, you need to pay about 18.25 lakhs per year and then around 80,000 yearly rent. So that comes to around 19 lakhs approximately, slightly more than 19 lakhs. So you include some more expenses. So probably you are looking at around 19.5 lakhs per year as the expense. Okay. So roughly budget around 20 lakhs. That would be safer for you. Now let us look at the NRI fees for hostel, right? For NRIs, the room type for both boys and girls is double sharing with attached bathroom. So the only difference between Indian hostels and NRI hostel is the Indian hostels, the room is double sharing but non-attached. Whereas for NRIs, they have double sharing with attached bathroom. Now, what is the fee structure? For both boys and girls, the fee structure is the same. Admission fees 200 rupees, refundable caution deposit 30,000 rupees, yearly rent 1,08,000, and totally at the time of admission you need to pay 1,38,200. And this yearly rent of 1,08,000 once again includes mess charges, and you will be provided breakfast, lunch, evening snacks, and dinner. So that's the information I wanted to share with you about Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Belagavi. So if you have any specific questions about this college, please leave the question in the comments below. Will you join this college? Do you like this college? Do you have any feedback about this college? Please tell us, which will be useful for other candidates. Thank you. Bye-bye.